So today's cocktail is called an I don't give a fig, and you gotta say it just like that. I'm Buzz Lightyear, this is the Educated Barfly. Love the Buzz Lightyear cameo.
Ah, thanks. To infinity and beyond!
So today's cocktail is called an I don't give a fig, and you gotta say it just like that. It was created by a Phoenix area bartender that I just found on Instagram. I took a deep dive into all of her content and really like it a lot. She's definitely worth a follow. We will talk specifics in a minute. Let's do the drink first.
Classic.
Classic, always, always, always. We're gonna do 1 ounce of lemon juice, half an ounce of Orgeat, half an ounce of Cointreau, 1 dash of Absinthe, 2 ounces fig infused gin. Now, talk about the infusion process a little bit very quickly. Pretty easy. I just took 375 milliliters of gin, and then I took 2 cups. Did I say 2 cups?
Cups, yeah.
A half a cup of rough cut dried fig. That's what we're gonna do. Just put it in there and let it sit. As you guys probably know, spirits are a lot like paint stripper, and they will just strip all the flavor and color out of something really quickly. So you just let it sit for 24 hours and you have your fig infused gin. So we are gonna do some ice into our tin. Add our cocktail. Give it a nice shake. All right, it's gonna be really pretty color. I can already tell it's gonna be so pretty. Look at that, very purple. I love it. And then to garnish, I'm just gonna cut this in half like so, notch it. And then we'll just put it on the side of the glass, right? Am I right? Am I right? That's nice. That reeks of fall, doesn't it? Oh man. So good. So it's very much a sour. It's got the lemon profile right up front, but what's really, really great about this cocktail is that the absinthe really comes in to kind of hit it up with this sort of, I don't know, how would you describe it? Like the anise flavor inside the absinthe kind of gives it this nice kind of body, and it kind of helps it to be more fall, if you will. You can taste the fig inside the gin. I use the botanist gin. You want to use kind of a more botanical gin for this. It's going to really kind of play up that fig raisiny kind of flavor, and then you have all those botanicals in there. It's going to be really, really great. And then what we've done, I say we like I did it, but it's actually what the badass bartender has done is add in a little Orgeat in there, so you still get that fall vibe, along with some Cointreau, right? So that ounce of sugary stuff that you have in there is gonna balance nicely with that ounce of lemon. The Cointreau has a little bit less sugar in it, and it's gonna provide a little bit of dryness and oranginess to it, and then you have the Orgeat, which is gonna provide body, texture, almondiness. I love these little words I have, oranginess, almondiness, figginess. So this cocktail was created by a Phoenix area bartender named Alyssa Dunn. She's also known as The Badass Bartender on Instagram and TikTok, and that is where I found her content. I really took a deep dive in it. Really, really like a lot of the stuff that she's doing there. She also runs a consultancy called Badass Consulting, I believe. Also on Instagram, you should check her out at The Badass Bartender. She does these great little short videos. That's where I found this cocktail. Today, this was my first time, just tasting it. I didn't actually test this in advance. I looked at the flavors and I said, I'm gonna like that cocktail. I really wanna make it. Reached out to her, asked permission, and voila, here we are. So there it is. The I don't give a fig. Go out and make it. You will give a fig once you taste this cocktail. It's a little dad humor for you. All right, if you like this channel, hit like, hit subscribe. Before we leave, I just want to say thank you to our YouTube and our Patreon members who make this channel not only possible, but as wonderful and interesting as it's been. They've really enabled us to be able to do a lot of really great content, and all of the ambitious ideas that I come up with and that Marius comes up with, they've really enabled us to be able to do that stuff. So thank you guys very, very much. We could not do it without you, and that's actually the truth. We really couldn't do it without you. For all the rest of you guys, consider joining or go to our website, theeducatedbarfly.com, where you can find recipes, you can find articles, our virtual bottle program that puts you into the action. And I guess that's about it for this video. So I will see you guys on another, I was gonna say another time. I'll see you guys on another cocktail. Until then, Leandro out.